Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Barium chloride reacts with potassium carbonate. We must identify which ion has the highest concentration in the final filtrate solution. First, look at the stoichiometry of the reaction. For every mole of barium chloride, we use 1 mole of potassium carbonate, which releases 2 moles of potassium ions into solution. Since we added an excess of potassium carbonate, those potassium ions remain fully dissolved. They do not precipitate out, meaning their total count in the filtrate stays very high throughout. Other ions like barium and carbonate precipitate or are present in lower initial amounts. Therefore, potassium ions dominate the final concentration in the mixture. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and check steps. Trust given data to find option B.